What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a set of instructions a computer or machine can follow in order to complete a task. In other words, it's like a step-by-step guide to achieving a goal. For example, a sorting algorithm could be used to sort numbers in ascending or descending values. The algorithm would specify the steps necessary to compare and rearrange the numbers until they're in the desired order. Algorithms are used in a wide range of applications, from basic arithmetic to complex machine learning models. They are the building blocks of computer programs, and they allow those programs to complete a wide range of tasks quickly and efficiently. One of the benefits of algorithms is that they can be analyzed and optimized in order to improve their efficiency over time. This is particularly useful in artificial intelligence because algorithms not only help them learn, they also help them process data faster to do what they need to do. To keep learning about artificial intelligence, stay tuned for more in our AI Exploration series.
LinkTree Exploration Station.